Hi, my name is Hubbard, and today I show you how easy you can farm CHIA via CHIA Hub.io. First, you need to install the official CHIA network software. Simply download it from chia.net and install it like any other program on your computer. Once you have started it, you have to create a wallet. Please, be sure to secure the generated keys to a safe place. After generating your wallet, you get an address, where you can receive money. Copy it to your clipboard with Ctrl+C. Now you need some CHIA money to start. But hey, you get it for free. Use the official faucet on faucet.chia.net, or our Discord service and paste your address to it with Ctrl+V. You will receive some money to your new wallet for free. Before we continue, we have to wait that your CHIA client is synced completely. This can take some time. After complete sync, you should see the CHIA money in your wallet now. First click Pool, then Join a Pool, then choose Connect to a Pool. Now type in the pool URL pool.chiahub.io. You will now see our pool details. Click on Create. It will take a few moments, but then, congratulations! You are now part of the best pool party ever. Here inside Pool Overview, you find your launcher ID, to identify on the CHIA Hub.io website, for your personal pool datas. You are now ready for your first pool plot. Click on Plots, then, Add a plot. Be sure to choose K32 plot size. Select the temporary directory for plotting, and the final directory for farming. Now select the pool you have joined before, and click on Create. Your first plot will be created and connected to the CHIA Hub.io pool automatically. Hey! We are very happy to have you on board now. If you need any help, come to our website and join our Discord channel. Here you find the coolest pool community ever. Happy plotting and farming!